Yo guys, Rob's Mist here, and I'm back with episode 3 of our learning to edit in After Effects tutorials. Now, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to use optical flares. So, yeah, stepping right ahead. Where did it go, guys? I had it on my desktop. Is this it? Let me just check the file size. Nope. Alright, 1 second, guys. Let me find this. I had an example, my 30-minute edit, which shows you. Fuck, where is it? Might be nope. It's probably in here. Yeah, here it is. This shows you like alrighty. So optical flares, although they look amazing, and if they're done well, they are intense as fuck. But they are simple as hell to do. Alright? So, first step, download optical flares. What's it called? Plugin. Second thing, go into your effects and presets bar, optical flares. Alright, this thing here. Drag it on. I'll open up this little thing here. Then you wait. Now you get this, alright? So first thing you want to do is go to render mode, change that to over original, so that'll make it so it's actually this. So look, you've already got your flare here, and it's just casually sitting there. Now what you want to do is go into options. Now heaps of people out there have made like heaps of packs, and I've used some of them, but then eventually we come up with like the flares which you like to use. So these are the two flares, they're like exactly the same with just different colours that I've just designed myself, and they're pretty much the only ones I ever use. Funnily enough. Now I have my flare here, right? Now, next thing is positioning. Oh, shit, sorry. So, you see this little thing in the middle of the flare? Click that and you can move it around. So I'm going to position it about here. Then now, scale. This is the scale thing. Increase that, increase the scale, alright? This is the brightness, increase that, increase the brightness. Alright. So now what I want to do, just adjust it so it's at your liking. Then, next thing you want to do, so let's say I want the flare to come in right when he shoots. So, what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to keyframe my brightness at 0%, so there's no flare here. And then, at about this point here, I want there to be 110% flare, because that's what I had it on before. So now, as you see, he shoots, and the flare starts to come up. But at the moment, you see, normally with my flares, they're sort of flickering and stuff, but right now, this one's just sitting there. So, I'm going to show you how you do that. So now what you do, you come down here, this little thing, obviously, called flicker, right? So then, what you need to do is, you need to change your speed and amount. I usually go somewhere between 20 and 40%, so I'm going to go 33% for both. I usually keep them the same, because that's usually what I find works. And it's a matter of just previewing them and seeing what it looks like. So as you can see up the top, you can just see it sort of flickering slightly. It's not flickering a lot. If I change the speed up to, let's say, 40%, and this up to about 60%, you'll see really clearly that it's flickering a lot more, and in larger amounts. So it's just a matter of playing around. I would pre-render it, but for some reason my computer's still being dodgy with bloody Camtasia. I can't remember what it's even called anymore. So yeah, that is pretty much using optical flares. It's very simple, and if done well, it looks really good. But just one thing about optical flares, don't overuse them. I almost overuse them, but like do them and like don't, just use them with good cause. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next tutorial. If you got any tutorials you guys want done, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to do them for you. Alright, I'll talk to you guys next time.